kitchen at Oakview. Here is the big island, which is in the wide stave oak, and it's, I think, 2.5 metres by 1.2 with a big trough sink. And then we've got this bank here with our induction hob, oven, storage. And this is the same oak that we've used on the worktop, which is a 20mm oak, and they're push to open cupboards. We've got lots of tall overhead storage. And this cupboard caused our carpentry team a lot of headaches because I really wanted somewhere to hide the kettle and toaster and all that sort of junk. So we bought a pocket door system, which looked easy on paper, but not so easy to actually install. Anyway, they've done a brilliant job on it, and now it means it can hide all of that area. I can shut the doors on it, and we keep that minimalist look, so I'm really pleased with it. This is the dining end of the kitchen. This table is actually a piece of thick plywood that we sourced online, and then we used a company where you can get any Formica colour put on top. So we use this Formica, it's called Just Rose, I think, and it's a kind of blush colour which ties in with our colour scheme. This end of the kitchen is our plant end, which contains boiler, hot water tank, water softener, underfloor heating manifolds, and all sorts of plant things like that. And this was always the idea, to have this up here behind cupboards.